Hello everyone, I'm Dr.A.G.Mythili, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with Finance, Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. In this video, I'm going to speak about commercial bank. So, a commercial bank mobilizes deposit from the public which are repayable on demand or short notice. They lend to traders and manufacturers for short period. They provide working capital for the business in the form of overdraft and cash credit. Besides, the banks render a number of agency services such as collection of check bills and subsidiary services such as discounting bills of exchange, safekeeping of valuables, issuing letter of credit, remittance of fund. So, what is a commercial bank? A commercial bank is a kind of financial institutions that carries all business operations related to deposit and withdrawal of money for general public, providing loans for investment and for other activities. These banks are profit-making institutions and do business only to make a profit. So, two main primary characteristics of a commercial bank are lending and borrowing. The bank receives the deposits and gives money to various projects to earn interest, that is profit. The rate of interest of a bank offers to depositors is known as borrowing rate, while the rate at which the bank lends money is known as the lending rate. Coming to the functions of a commercial bank. So the functions of a commercial bank is classified into primary function and secondary functions. Primary function is classified into accepting deposits, granting loans and advances, and then secondary function is classified into agency function and utility function. So accepting deposit. So the primary function of a commercial bank is to accept deposits in the form of saving deposit, fixed deposits, current deposits and recurring deposits from its customers, and granting loans and advances in the form of cash credit, bank overdraft loans and discounting bills. And in the agency function, bank funds transfer, check collection, periodic check pay collection, portfolio management and other functions are done by the commercial bank. In utility functions, it issues drafts, letter of credit, lock-up facilities, underwriting of shares, dealing with foreign exchange, project reports, social welfare program, other utility functions of its customers. So the primary function is to accept deposit. The bank accepts deposits in the form of savings, current and fixed recurring. These surplus balances collected from the firms and individuals are lent to the temporary requirement of the commercial transactions. So it provides loans and advances. Another crucial function of the bank is to offer loans and advances to the entrepreneurs and business people and collect interest. For every bank, it is primary source of making profit. In this process, the bank retains a small number of deposits as reserves and offers or lends the remaining amount to the borrowers in demand loan, overdraft, cash credit, short-term loans and much such bank. Cash credit. When a customer is provided a credit or loan, then they are not provided liquid cash. First, the bank account is opened for the customers and the money is transferred to the account. This process allows the bank to create money. So secondary function, discounting bill of exchange. It is return agreement acknowledging the amount of money to be paid against the goods purchased at a given part of the time in future. The amount can be cleared before the quoted time through a discounting method. A commercial bank overdraft facility, it is a facility given to the accounting holder who is having a current account to overdraw up to a given limit. Purchase and selling of securities, the bank offers you to facilitate selling and buying of securities such as shares, stocks and bond. Locker facility, a bank provides locker facility to a customer to keep their valuables and other documents safely. The bank charges a minimum of annual fee for this service provided. Paying and gathering the credit. It uses different instruments like promissory note, check and bill of exchange. So coming to the public utility function in modern banking, commercial banks execute public utility functions, that is remittance of money. Remittance of money to public form from one place to another. Functions of a commercial bank. Remittance is effected in the form of demand draft, telegraphic transfer through different branches and correspondent home and abroad. Helps in trade and commerce. Commercial banks helps to expand the trade and commerce. In inland and foreign trade, customers are allowed credit accommodation in the form of letter of credit, bills purchased and discounted. Safe custody of valuable. Commercial bank reduce lockers services to customers for the safe custody of valuable document like shares, securities, gold, diamond, etc. Helps in foreign exchange business. While opening letter of credit, commercial bank obtain credit report from supplier and helps expedite more for import and export business. It acts as a referee. Commercial banks acts as a referee for on behalf of its customers. It acts as an advisor. Commercial bank provides valuable advice to their customers on different product, business growth, development, feasibility, business and industry. Agency functions. Beside above, the agency functions of a commercial bank include collection and payment. Commercial bank is engaged in collection and payment of check, bill of exchange, promissory note, pension, dividend, subscription, insurance premium, interest on behalf of its client. Purchase and sale of shares and securities. Commercial bank is entrusted with responsibility of purchase and sale of securities on behalf of its customers. Maintenance of secrecy. Maintenance of secrecy is one of the most important functions of the commercial bank. Acts as a trustee. Commercial banks acts as a trustee on behalf of its customers. It acts as an economic development and welfare activity. Commercial banks contribute much for the welfare and economic development of the country. So, thank you.